Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at a recent trade that we took on MYL here, MYL. And the reason I'm doing this video for you guys is so you can see how to use a winning system to make profitable trades in the market so that you can learn from it and maybe even take this stuff here that I'm about to teach you guys and put it into your own trading so that you can start making profitable trades in the market. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, give us a visit on the home page of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like this video and you want to start making profitable trades in the market like this one that we're about to show you on MYL, then sign up right now and join the premium membership community. Because as soon as you do, you're going to get instant access to the profitable trade alerts that our current members are getting and loving on a daily and weekly basis. It's a great opportunity for you to start making winning trades in the market. And the best part is, right now you can save $100 off on the annual membership by applying the discount code New Year. It's a great opportunity to start the new year 2018 off right. And again, this discount code is only valid for this week only. It's for the new year. It expires as soon as January ends. So once we get into February, this discount code is no longer going to be valid, and you're going to have to pay full price if you want to sign up after that. So it's a great opportunity to save $100 and to start making winning trades like the one that we're about to show you on MYL. Alright, so we're going to take a look at the chart here. I'm actually going to go to the weekly chart really quick and show you, overall, when you're trading, you want to look at a lot of time frames, okay? You don't want to just look at the hourly or the daily because you can kind of, it puts things in perspective if you look out further and you can see the weekly. And what I mean by that is, if you only looked at the daily, you'd see that MYL was trading down for a long time. Okay, it's been in a downtrend, so you'd think, oh, well, maybe this stock is trash, it's done for, something like that. But if you look at the weekly chart, you'll notice it's been heading higher all the way since 2009. It started down here to $6. And here it is trending higher, trending higher, trending higher. So this is just a little bit of a retracement right here. We're still much, much higher, making higher lows than any of these lows back here. So it's still in a massive, massive uptrend. So got to keep it in perspective. The next thing I want to point out here too is right here. We had this downtrend line right here. I know we got a lot of lines here. I'm just going to delete them so they can kind of clean up the chart for you. All right, so keep this in perspective. Had this downtrend line here, rejected here, rejected here, rejected here, and we broke over it right here on this week. So why does this matter? Why does it matter, how many times we've got rejected here? Well, it matters because it was really respecting that angle, okay? So when it respects that angle, you know that when it breaks over it, over that trend line, you know that it's significant, okay? So not only do we break over the trend line for that play right here, but we also broke over, if you look over here, this big long bar right here, this is the volume by price. All these green and red bars right here, this is volume by price. And what it means is instead of volume by day, okay, it's volume by price, meaning how much volume has traded at a specific price. So right here, this is the volume point of control because that's where the most volume has been traded. All right. So what does that mean? Well, it means that if you break over that level, that is a huge, huge break of a resistance because that's where the most volume is traded. And when we break over that, it's a very significant move. So when we broke over this level right here, over the trend line, we also broke over the volume point of control, which is also a simple level of resistance right there. So just to kind of recap the reasons here, we've got a trend line break, we've got a resistance break, We've got the volume point of control break as well. All right, so we've got three things leading into this breakout right here, and I'm going to show you. We alerted. I'm going to get to the actual trade here. We alerted this on December 15th right here. As you can see on this day right here, we tried, this is the previous day, December 14th, we tried to break over it right here, but we couldn't confirm, okay? I thought that it was most likely going to continue the next day, but I wanted to see that confirmation, okay? You don't want to, front run anything, because if you do, you're going to lower your chances of success, all right? So rather than getting, trigger happy and entering right here, we ended up waiting for this confirmation. Okay, I put it on the watch list, talked about it in the nightly member videos so that everyone was prepared for this trade. So we ended up taking the trade right here on December 15th, and I'll show you that right here. You can see right here we alerted this on the private Twitter feed. And again, every single alert is also sent via text message. That's because most members can't sit on the private Twitter feed all day, so you're not going to miss an alert. Don't worry about it. You're going to get it on your phone, and you can trade from anywhere. Okay, so we alerted this here, trade alert, MYL. April is the expiration, and there's only one expiration for April, so that's why we don't have to specify the actual date. So April, 40 strike calls at 343. Right there, 343, and we entered that right here, and we ended up heading higher. You can see this breakout moved really nicely in our favor, and we ended up taking profits here. You can see that, we're doing our analysis as it's going. So I'm explaining to all the members on the video and on the watch list here. We're trading here. This is a bull flag. Okay, we broke out of that bull flag, and I'm monitoring the trade as the trade progresses. Okay, so I came here and we alerted the sell of the first third of that position here. We sold here on January 2nd at 484 for a really nice profit. 484 on January 2nd. You can see it was right there on this day. We wanted to sell into some strength, even though we believe it's heading higher. Okay, we want to, especially when you're trading options, you want to trade, you want to take your profits as they come to you. Okay, so that's what we do here at the Trading Analyst. Take our profits. Sometimes we sell half, sometimes we sell them in thirds, but we like to, most of the time, most of our trades are sold in pieces and not all at once. Okay, so we're trading. We alerted this here for a nice win, and then the next third we sold here at 580, and this is on the 5th of January. All right, so I'm going to show you where we sold here. It's right, right here as we came into this resistance. And why did we want to sell right there? Well, it was a previous high over here. You can see that clearly came up, got rejected right there, and headed lower. So that's why we sold another third at that level. And right now, we're still actually holding on to the last third of this position. And the reason I'm doing this video before we actually sell the remaining position is definitely out of respect of our current members, because we don't want to give you guys information that other members are currently paying for, but it's already the trade is already almost done here. So we're holding that last third, and this is just how you hold on to winners. Okay, this option here is sitting at about 100% gain right now. All right, those options are trading at about $7, and remember our entry was at 343. So we're just riding this this win for as much as we can get it for. It's still holding above this resistance. So here's that resistance here, and we're holding above that resistance right here. So it's only a matter of time before this continues higher. So we're sitting in a really, really nice position. There's no way this trade is going to turn into a loser, and we're sitting really, really nicely. again, you guys got to hold on to your winners if you want to have big gains, and that's what we do at the Trading Analyst. So again, if you like this trade and you want to start making trades just like this, we hold your hand through the entire process. We have the watch list, the daily member videos that explains the watch list and the trades in detail. We also have the trade alerts and analysis that's on the private Twitter feed. And for most of you guys, since you can't sit in front of a computer screen all day long, these alerts are sent via text message. Okay, so a lot of services, they don't have text message alerts, and that's because they're not doing it right. They don't understand that you guys can't be sitting in front of a computer screen all day long. And what we do is we do the hard work for you. We have the watch list if you want to watch it. We've got the member videos if you want to watch those and learn more about the process. Or if you want to just get these profitable trade alerts sent directly to your cell phone and that's it, and you want to just make these winning trades and you don't care about learning or anything like that, that is totally okay too, and that's what this service is for, is to give you guys an opportunity to do everything. You can learn if you want, you can make winning trades if you want, you can do both. It's something for everyone. And again, the best part is right now you can save $100 on the annual membership using the discount code New Year. And remember, that expires this week. It was for January only, and that is expiring very soon. So if you want to start making winning trades, sign up now, and you're going to get instant access to profitable trade alerts just like the one that I showed you on MYL.